So hey guys, welcome to this vlog. It's Tuesday and it's 10:30 and I just woke up for the second time because earlier around 7 to 8 I woke up and yeah, I'm just currently uploading vlog. So yeah, it's breakfast time. I heard them calling me. So we'll see you at breakfast. It's our lazy day today and we are not sure where to go or what to do, so we just decided to check out the outlet mall near the Airbnb. And for the first time I wasn't interested shopping, so yeah, just walked around and window shopped. While I was walking around the mall, nakita ko yung Cake Boss ATM machine and sobra akong natuwa, and of course I have to give it a try. And since I was a kid, I was a big fan of the show. So, yeah, ang saya lang matry yung cakes nila. And for the flavor, I chose the chocolate flavor. And since frozen yung cake, sabi sa instructions, at least 15 minutes before you try it. And yeah, it was super good. So, worth it.
A few hours later.
Since it's 7-Eleven's birthday today, they're giving free slurpee. And so we rushed to one of the 7-Eleven stores and got ourselves slurpee. So thanks again 7-Eleven and happy birthday!
Around 9 p.m. Mountain Time, maliwanag pa sa labas, so we decided to go out and check the overlooking of downtown Edmonton. So yeah, we were hoping to see this one, but well, hindi ko na check maigi kung saan yung location ng lugar na yun. So yeah, we ended up into a different spot. It was okay, but yeah, you'll see yung view later.
Ate, ali ka lang ito natin ito babae. What did you get me into? I don't want to go down.
So the stairs, when you reach the top, may nakalagay doon 200 or 202 steps siya.
Dito ka.
Then after a few minutes, we went back down and headed back home.
They camouflage, tas masa step ka ng one.